So they're all in. Signal on. And we're ready to race here. Race 2, Angle Park, $1.50, Psychotic Gold. Racing, probably a half length slow, Psychotic Gold in the early part, and it's getting crowded a bit. They're moving over, but it got a lovely run through. Miss Party Girl led, but Psychotic Gold able to rail up hard and take the lead now, the favourite. Then Zara McLaren, Ella Jackie, a breakaway, Windburn Blaze, and Yellow Fever is last of all. Out of the straight, and Psychotic Gold puts the others behind it. Out by 5 or 6 now on Zara McLaren. 3 away is Ella Jackie, and then Miss Party Girl. 6 away, Windburn Blaze, and Yellow Fever last of all. Down the back, Psychotic Gold, 5 or 6 in front. Zara McLaren sticks on. 3 away is Ella Jackie, racing to the turn. Psychotic Gold, straight and 4 in front. Zara McLaren holds on, but Psychotic Gold clear, and Psychotic Gold beats Zara McLaren, who stuck on well. So too did Ella Jackie for that fact, and a big breakaway, Miss Party Girl. Then Windburn Blaze and Yellow Fever. It was the last one in.